Mortgage insurance is also called mortgage protection to protect your mortgage. When you buy home, you have a lot of loan. You might have signed the paper at the bank when you get the loan a waiver that you don't need it. So because you are in rush to get the keys and all the other stuff, but now it's time to think about it. If you and your spouse signed up the mortgage because you show both your incomes to qualify, can you imagine if one person do not survive or passed away, how can you pay the mortgage? Especially when we get the home, we also buy new appliances, new car sometime, and new sofa, and many things. But these all have to be paid monthly mostly. And many people I know from many years of working in the insurance industry do not have enough money in the bank with the pay doesn't come for more than 2 months, or even 1 month is hard to pass by without getting a paycheck. So you need to protect your home where you're living. If you are a loving spouse and you want to make sure your spouse and your children live in the same house and drive the same car and enjoy the same appliances, even if you are not there anymore, you should think about getting a mortgage insurance. And same thing, if ask your spouse if they love you and they care for you, rather than asking for big gifts, vehicles or gold or appliances or anything, first thing you ask your spouse is to get a mortgage protection, because that is big amount. Let's say your house is worth $1 million and you can get a mortgage protection up to $1 million to cover that. Yes, it's good to go through the insurance broker, insurance agent, rather than going through the bank, because when bank give you the mortgage insurance, they tie it to the loan. So once somebody pass away, they pay off the loan, and if you sell the home, and the insurance cancelled with it. But if you get your personal insurance on your own life with your insurance broker, that will be on your life. So even if you sell the home and buy a bigger home later on, or buy a smaller home, or you buy after 10 years when you are 10 years older, because as you get older, your insurance get expensive. So, and other good advantage is that when you buy your own insurance on your life, you can choose the beneficiary you want. You can choose your wife, you can choose your children, you can choose your husband. But when you get the mortgage insurance from the bank, they choose the bank as a beneficiary. So you won't get the money will go towards the payment of the loan. So sometimes if somebody pass away, let's say you have $1 million coverage on $1 million mortgage, maybe you want to pay off the half the mortgage and pay other stuff like car loans and your children's education or any other plans. So you can choose how you want to spend or pay off your loans. So that's main reason. And other big reason is that when I do mortgage insurance as an insurance broker or many other insurance agents, we do underwriting upfront. So you have to go through some medical tests or urine or other vital tests, or a phone interview, or nurse comes to your home, and once you qualify medically that you are medically fit to get insurance, then you get the policy. And once you get the policy after medically underwritten, it's granted to be eligible for a claim. Whereas the bank just asks you 5-6 tough questions, and if you say no to them, and you get the insurance. And when claim comes, at that time they go backwards to figure out if you have any illness at that time or whatnot, and they can mostly deny the claim. So it's very important you go through your insurance broker, go through insurance company to get mortgage protection. is very important. It's very important to keep your home and keep the roof over your head and for your children, and to save your other assets as well. Sometimes people say, oh, I only have a mortgage, I have no other big loans, but mortgage is the biggest loan people have, and you need to cover that. So if you want more information in Ontario, I can do that at 416-831-0215. Call me and or email me at jagtar@ableinsurance.ca or shergill.insurance@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video to the other people. Thanks.